glide through the impenetrable density of the water hyacinths. The tranquil water mirrors the sky above.
The systematic harvest of water hyacinths provides a livelihood for many families here. It is a rhythm passed down through generations.
Here in the Haojiang wetland, this crew works tirelessly, combining technology and strenuous effort to clear the dense hyacinth.
Using advanced công or technology, these machines can process tons of water hyacinths every hour, restoring the river flow.
Freshly harvested water hyacinth moves along the conveyor, feeding directly into the automated compressing machines, which efficiently squeeze out the excess moisture.
The compression process utilizes extreme pressure to separate the water from the fibrous material, maximizing extraction efficiency.
Our high-pressure spray systems drench the water hyacinths on the filtration grate, cascading the water through to drain away all impurities. This mesmerizing process transforms raw biomass into usable pulp, utilizing advanced centrifugal technology. The wet fibers are precisely layered and moved through our advanced drying system, ensuring consistent moisture removal. Here at the facility, the freshly harvested water hyacinth is quickly moved from the trucks to the conveyor belts to begin the drying process.
Using advanced công or technology, these massive cranes process tons of water hyacinth every.
It's a daily rhythm here on the river. The crane lifts the hyacinth, ensuring the flow of both water and commerce.
In this final, serene rinsing stage, clear water flows swiftly through the channels, passing the neatly stacked water hyacinth.
To ensure the preservation of the plant material, workers diligently cover the massive piles with protective tarps.
The day ends as it began, with the steady work of moving the harvest. Just another ordinary story under the setting sun.
From this height, the scale of the operation becomes clear. These trucks, moving like the journey of transformation begins.
The precision of modern công nghệ ensures efficient loading. These neatly cut water hyacinth stems are.
Securing the bolt seal is the final step before transport. Meticulous work ensures the cargo reaches its destination safely. The contrast is clear. On the left, the wet fibers shimmer with life. On the right, the dry strands are brittle and dull.
Through advanced technology, or công nghệ, we witness the transformation of raw fibers into durable, earth. Through advanced công nghệ, or technology, these fibers are transformed into highly durable, textured mats.
A testament to what we build together. A normal story of hard work and progress.
Utilizing advanced công nghệ, this system ensures the precision of modern logistics. The total weight is confirmed at 25,000 kilograms.
The automated sensors and cameras of the inspection system meticulously scan the passing truck, capturing every detail of the raw material.
Witness the captivating transition. From fresh green stems, the raw material twists.
Automated fiber sorting systems efficiently categorize fibers. Delicate mechanical arms separate coarse.
Here we see the meticulous separation process. Pristine, refined fibers are collected, while the coarse materials are filtered out with extreme precision.
Our state-of-the-art washing machines utilize advanced công nghệ to ensure maximum purity and efficiency in the fiber cleaning process.
Witness the future of purification. Our proprietary system removes even the deepest stains. Our advanced purification process ensures every fiber is pristine. The technology at work separates the water.
The fibers glide through the automated system, where they are precisely cut and classified by advanced robotics.
The cutting unit ensures absolute uniformity, a testament to advanced công nghệ.
Automated systems deftly separate the last remnants of green core material from the now predominantly ivory-colored fibers, achieving remarkable purity.
Utilizing advanced vibratory and pneumatic technology, the system cleanly separates the raw materials.
Suspended in air.
Fibers are thoroughly soaked in vats of liquid, preparing them for optimal malleability before being fed into powerful stretching machines. Through advanced công nghệ, these soaked fibers are elongated and strengthened, preparing them for the next generation of materials.
Action. The fibers are stretched and twisted into continuous, uniform strands. This highly automated process ensures efficiency.
Utilizing advanced optical analysis.
Utilizing advanced công nghệ, these uniform white fibers traverse the drying system, ensuring optimal moisture content for the next stage of processing. The fibers enter the massive industrial ovens, a key stage in moisture removal and preservation technology. The fibers emerge from the drying ovens, looking crisp and perfectly dry, ready for storage or further refinement.
The fiber bundles are now firm and uniform as they exit the oven. The process is precise and controlled. From vibrant green stems to refined fibers, our process harnesses the power of water hyacinth.
The convergence point utilizes laser precision to transform the raw input. This semi-finished component is now ready for the next phase of automated assembly.
From the vibrant green of new life to the stillness of the dried strand, the cycle continues, endlessly.
The workers deftly bind the dried fibers, preparing them for the next stage. It's a process honed by tradition.
For John, tying these fibers is more than just a job. It's a lifelong craft, passed down through generations.
Observe the endurance of the polysynthetic fiber. Under extreme stress, the molecular bonds begin to yield. The breaking point is instantaneous and absolute.
As you can see, the visual distinction is clear. But when we test the tactile properties,
a close look at the distinct textures and thicknesses of the 3 fiber grades, from coarse to ultrafine, emphasizing the material's versatility.
This massive warehouse utilizes advanced technology to store and manage our fiber resources with unparalleled efficiency and precision.
Here at Công nghệ, our team expertly manages the flow of critical fiber bundles, ensuring seamless delivery across the globe.
The sheer volume of processed water hyacinth here ensures a steady supply for the next phase of manufacturing. The rhythmic clatter of the machinery fills the air as workers meticulously feed continuous strands of fibers into these traditional looms.
Every thread tells a story. This is just a normal story, passed down through the hands of time.
It is here, amidst the rhythmic dance of wood and thread, that traditional craftsmanship meets the demands of an industrial world.
Using state-of-the-art technology, the fibers enter the thermal processing unit. This critical step ensures the material achieves maximum stability.
As the fibers emerge from the intense heat, the color subtly shifts, revealing the dramatic effect of the process.
Through this highly automated bleaching process, the raw fibers are submerged, transforming from beige into a...
As the fibers exit the bleaching tanks, pressurized water jets ensure a thorough rinse. The bleaching process is complete, resulting in these pure ivory fibers. They are now ready for the final drying stage.
An everyday story, told through the meticulous arrangement of these delicate ivory strands, drying slowly in the light. The delicate texture of the dried ivory fibers, soft and supple, inviting touch. The fibers are perfect.
Quality control is a tactile ivory file process.
Bathed in diffused light, these endless rows create a hyper-realistic vista, a serene pattern of pale lines in the vast expanse.
Automated machines gently comb through the ivory fibers, ensuring they are perfectly separated and untangled before the next stage.
Observe the flawless texture and the subtle sheen. This is the definition of pristine quality, captured in a single strand of ivory.
Bundles of the refined ivory fibers are moved to large conditioning rooms, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. The sheer volume of refined ivory fibers, now stacked in clean, ordered piles, fills a sterile, modern storage area.
Through advanced technology and rigorous monitoring of fiber quality metrics, we ensure every batch meets the highest standards. Under the microscope, we see the intricate cellular structure of this single ivory fiber, revealing the natural origin of this highly refined material.
The bundles of bleached fibers are carefully arranged on pallets, ready for transport within the facility to the next stage of crafting.
Here in the main chamber, the ivory fibers undergo their final moisture balancing.
Maintaining optimal humidity is crucial for the tensile strength of the fibers.
45%. Got it.
By utilizing the latest công nghệ, we can ensure the exact moisture content of the fibers, guaranteeing the highest quality.
The finished, perfectly moisture-balanced fibers are carefully lowered from their suspension, now soft, flexible, and ready for crafting.
Pristine dried fibers are efficiently wound onto massive industrial spools, ready for automated crafting processes.
Through a mesmerizing process of transformation, our automated machines meticulously twist individual fibers into Our automated twisting machine processes the fibers at high speed, ensuring consistent quality as the finished.
This massive facility transforms water hyacinth into resilient woven sheets, showcasing the future of sustainable technology.
This represents the pinnacle of modern textile engineering. The integration of advanced robotics ensures.
Here we see the threads interlock, creating a visually appealing pattern. The resulting sheet is known for its incredible durability and robust texture.
With state-of-the-art công nghệ, the newly woven carbon fiber sheet extends in a continuous stream before the automated laser cutting sequence begins.
Observe the geometry of creation, a continuous feed of silk and shadow emerging from the machine's embrace.
The expertise of our workers is essential, making small, precise adjustments to ensure every meter of fabric is flawless.
The feel of the fabric tells him everything. It is this meticulous care that defines the quality of the finished textile.
The finished woven sheets are precisely stacked in our state-of-the-art preparation area. Next, they move to the automated cutters for shaping.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced technology to move pallets seamlessly, ensuring peak production flow and efficiency.
Utilizing the latest công nghệ, these machines operate with rhythmic precision, a truly mesmerizing display of automated manufacturing.
A macro view reveals the tight, consistent weave of the mat. Its robust, natural fibers are highlighted by the dramatic Rembrandt lighting.
The diamond-tipped blade ensures unparalleled precision, slicing through the carbon weave with microscopic accuracy.
Water hyacinth storage bins make cleaning up fun, blending perfectly with the decor while standing up to even the most playful kids.
Handcrafted from natural water hyacinth, these placemats bring organic texture and sophistication to your table. The golden hour casts a perfect light on an afternoon of quiet comfort, finding peace in the everyday story of home.
We wanted a chair that felt as good as it looked. The comfort is in the craftsmanship, the tactile quality of the weave.
Embrace a lifestyle defined by natural beauty and exquisite craftsmanship. This is true serenity.
The final image, symbolizing comfort, sustainability, and refined craftsmanship.